Let's be honest. Cleaning, polishing, or ceramic coating high-end wheels while they are still mounted on the car is an absolute nightmare. You are crouching in the dirt, straining your back, and blindly spraying cleaner onto the back barrels, only to miss half the brake dust. So, you decide to take the wheels off, but then what? You roll them around on raw garage concrete, scratching up the expensive alloy and fighting to keep them upright while they slide around under the hose. Wasting your energy struggling with heavy, wet wheels is a shortcut to a ruined back and damaged rims. Today, we are putting an end to that frustration. I am going to show you the absolute best wheel detailing and cleaning stands on the market so you can rotate them smoothly, see every angle clearly, and get a flawless finish without the physical torture. Before we dive into the countdown, do me a quick favor: subscribe to the channel for more real-world, no BS automotive reviews. I have hand-tested these stands, and I have dropped the best updated links and deals right in the description below, so you can grab exactly what you need. If you have a specific wheel design or coating project coming up and aren't sure which stand makes the most sense for your workspace, drop a comment with your setup, and I will personally help you pick the right one. Let's start at number 5 with the DESEQPT rolling wheel detailing stand. When you first pull this out of the box, you notice it's a very clean, all-black industrial steel structural frame with 3 heavy-duty polyurethane rollers and smooth-turning bearings. The steel tubing is powder-coated matte black to resist rust, and the base is wide and flat to ensure maximum stability on your concrete floor. It is designed to comfortably support standard passenger car wheels and tires without bowing, giving you a smooth, effortless rotation as you work your wash mitt or polishing pads around the barrel. In real-world use, this is the ultimate entry-level savior for D'ers and weekend warriors who are tired of rolling wheels on the grass. Having a dedicated stand that keeps the tire off the ground makes a massive difference when you are performing deep cleans or preparing to apply a ceramic coating. The rollers work flawlessly, letting you spin a heavy wheel with just one finger, so you can easily reach the backsides of the spokes. The only minor drawback here is that the frame sits directly on the floor without casters, meaning you have to carry it if you want to reposition it around the detailing bay, but for a simple, budget-friendly workspace upgrade, the value is absolutely solid. Now, this next one fixes a mobility issue that most people do not think about until they are carrying a heavy, dripping wheel back and forth across a wet garage. Coming in at number 4 is the Maxshine Wheel Rim Detailing Rolling Wheel Stand, WS01. Maxshine is a massive name in detailing, and this stand features their signature bright yellow powder-coated heavy steel base frame with 3 thick black rotating rollers mounted on high-quality sealed bearings. The frame is built like a tank to handle heavy-duty wheels, and the bright yellow finish is not just for show, it is highly resistant to corrosive wheel acids and iron removers. In the real world, this stand is a fantastic workhorse for daily detailing tasks. The yellow powder coat makes it incredibly easy to see under dim garage lighting, and the black rollers rotate with absolute precision, holding the wheel perfectly centered without letting it drift or slide off the sides. It is ideal for detailers who want a permanent, high-visibility wheel station in their wash bay. The only honest drawback to the WS01 is that, much like the previous model, it lacks built-in locking wheels, so it is best suited for a dedicated spot in your garage where you do not need to roll the stand itself around. What if you love that robust Maxshine build quality, but you absolutely need the ability to roll the entire stand wheel and all around your detailing bay? That brings us to number 3. The Maxshine Universal Pro Wheel and Rim Detailing Rolling Stand. This is the upgraded professional sibling to the WS01, taking that same heavy-duty yellow steel frame and thick black rollers, but mounting the entire assembly on a set of 4 rugged, smooth-rolling black caster wheels with built-in foot locks. It also features a slightly wider stance to maintain a low center of gravity when holding extra-large heavy SUV or truck wheels. Having casters on a wheel stand is a complete game-changer for professional shops and serious D enthusiasts. You can place the wheel on the stand at your wash station, blast it with the pressure washer, roll the entire setup over to your drying bay, lock the casters, and immediately start polishing or coating without ever having to lift the heavy wheel again. It is incredibly durable, and the locking casters hold the stand rock solid even when you are applying heavy pressure with a dual-action polisher. The only trade-off is the increased footprint. Because of the casters, it sits slightly higher off the ground, which means you need to be just a bit more careful when initially hoisting massive, extra-wide off-road truck tires onto it. Now, if you want maximum rotational freedom and a stand that lets you maneuver a wheel in literally any direction, look at this next option. Coming in at number 2 is the ALL4DETAIL 360 degrees rolling wheel detailing stand. This stand is built around a heavy, industrial matte black steel structural chassis, but it replaces traditional fixed rollers with an advanced multi-directional 360-degree roller bearing design. The rollers themselves are coated in a durable, non-slip rubber compound that grips the tire tread beautifully, preventing any unwanted sliding or wobbling. In real-world testing, the 360-degree rotation of this stand makes detail work incredibly fluid. Instead of just spinning the wheel forward and backward, you can tilt, pivot, and adjust the angle of the wheel smoothly to catch the light perfectly while working on intricate multi-spoke wheel faces or applying delicate ceramic coatings. It is perfect for high-end detailing shops where absolute precision is required. The only minor drawback is that because of the highly sensitive multi-directional bearings, you have to be careful when applying heavy pressure with a machine polisher to keep the wheel from pivoting, but once you get the hang of it, the freedom of movement is unmatched. Finally, we reach the absolute pinnacle of wheel detailing stands. Taking our number 1 spot is the Adams Polishes rolling wheel detailing stand. Adams Polishes has over-engineered this stand to perfection, featuring a massive heavy-gauge steel frame coated in a durable industrial black finish. It features 3 extra-thick ultra-smooth black rollers mounted on premium industrial-grade sealed bearings, and the entire unit is supported by heavy-duty, oversized locking caster wheels that glide over floor grates and cracks with absolute ease. This is the ultimate professional-grade system. In my shop, I have used a lot of gear, and the sheer stability and effortless glide of this Adams Polishes stand is in a league of its own. It handles the absolute heaviest, whitest custom wheels you can throw at it without a single creak or flex, and the sealed bearings ensure that soapy water, gritty brake dust, and wheel cleaners will never penetrate and ruin the rotation over time. It is built to last a lifetime of daily, heavy commercial use. The only drawback? It is a premium product with a price tag to match, but if you are looking for the absolute best build quality, smoothest glide, and long-term durability on the market, it is worth every single penny. To wrap it up, if you want a simple, budget-friendly option for occasional garage use, grab the DESEQPT. For a high-visibility, stationary workhorse, the Maxshine WS01 is fantastic, while the Maxshine Pro adds that crucial rolling mobility. If you need ultimate multi-directional movement for intricate polishing, go with the ALL4DETAIL 360 degrees, but if you want the absolute best overall durability, smoothest bearings, and professional lifetime reliability, buy the Adams Polishes stand. Check the description right now for the best updated deals on all 5. Hit that subscribe button for more honest real-world reviews and let me know in the comments what wheels you are working on. Go make the right choice, protect your back, and I'll see you in the next one.